The blooms of this native orchid releases a light, citrusy sweet scent, while encompassing an alluring musky scent. It is often used by herbalists for its ability to purify heart, stop coughs, and asthma. The loveliness of this fragrance doesn't stop there. The infusion of therapeutic orchids develops the composition further, soothing our minds and contributing a feeling of ease. The benefits of these orchids doesn't stop here. Each of them comes with an abundance of medicinal values and usage. Spackled with red dots, this therapeutic orchid with a unique appearance is native to Taiwan, Yunnan, and Vietnam, where its main usage is to treat chronic coughs, bronchitis, and sore throat. Other illnesses such as inflammation and sores are also managed with this orchid. This orchid may not look impressive, but it helps massively in nourishing liver and kidney, moderating qi, and promotes diuresis. Many believe that it can improve blurred vision or night blindness as well. With the infusion of other scent notes, a more exquisite fragrance is composed. Balsam and anise are some of the additional scent ingredients in Citrus 5. Woody, coniferous, aromatic with light ambery tones, balsam fragrance helps enrich perfumes and add a characteristic depth. The contemporary uses of balsam in aromatherapy helps to reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. When applied topically, it is said to help tackle skin issues while increasing blood circulation and promote healing of sore muscles and joints. Anise, or aniseed, exudes a spicy, lingering, sweet scent that resembles licorice or fennel, making it a highly debatable hit-or-miss fragrance ingredient. Historically, it is recorded for its rich benefits, and have been used extensively in medicine, food, and even in perfumery. Known to relieve insomnia therapeutically, anise also serves as a great antiseptic, soothing your mood as well as the condition of your skin. When consumed, this ingredient is good for digestion and can relieve stomachache. This is a fragrance of a modern cologne with casual and sophisticated qualities. Clean citrusy notes, balsam, and anise are combined beautifully into an uplifting perfume that gives the wearer a sense of vibrancy while portraying some of the wonderful characteristics of Mother Nature.